Welcome to Zaplet. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an automated order upsell flow, the perfect way to increase your average order value. After a customer places an order, this automation will send them a personalized WhatsApp message with a discount and recommended products, encouraging them to buy more instantly. Let's start. Choose Order Upsell as the flow type. Set the timing to 15 minutes after order confirmation, so the message feels natural and timely. Now, write your message. For example, "Hey, AdHag customer, first name. Thanks for shopping with us. Your order is confirmed. As a token of appreciation, here's a special 10% off on your next purchase. Use code NEXT10 at checkout." Next, scroll down and select Marketing Message Type and choose Carousel in the marketing options. Add your product images one by one. Each tile should include the image, URL, product name, and a Buy It Now button linked to your Shopify product page. You can add up to 10 tiles to showcase multiple items. Then add a copy code button below, so customers can easily copy the discount code with one tap. Your customers will automatically receive a beautiful marketing carousel right after placing an order, showcasing your best products with an exclusive discount. It's designed to instantly capture attention and create a strong urge to buy again, helping you boost repeat sales effortlessly. If your business serves specific countries, you can apply filters so the message only goes to those regions. Finally, click Create Flow. That's it. Your order upsell automation is ready. Now, every customer who places an order will automatically receive a personalized message and get tempted to shop again, boosting your repeat sales by up to 30%. Start creating your upsell flow today and make every order count, only with Zaplet.